Shoot the ref! Shoot the ref! I'm joking. Don't do it. Don't do it. Man, this shit's so unzeroed. I got hit. I'm gonna call. I don't know where that came from. It's happening this way. If you go here, you walk into the room of love.
All I need is my love machine.
Yeah, this is the dungeon right here. Watch your step, bud.
Get some sick footage of me for the camera, yo.
I got you, bro. Nah, this zero on this gun is like off. Terribly. I'm gonna go this way. I'll go with you.
This side sucks. What the fuck, right?
Where they at though?
Go there. Go bank with me?
Yeah, bank.
You guys want to back up? Yeah. Give him a chance.
Yeah.
Back up! Back up! Same team!
Coming left, coming left. What the hell's going on? I can't find any action. After I shot Carl, that's the only time I seen him. I think he left after that. I think he was pissed. I'm gonna go see what's up with him. I want to apologize to him. Yeah, I kind of came in here looking for you. I thought you really left. I'm gonna go back out there. Damn, I'm about to come up in here. I'm about to get you. No, I don't know. I'm just joking. Just trying to have fun. Can't take every day serious. A BB? Oh shit! No way! How? I'm gonna record this. What's that something? You got a BB in there. Wow. That is something. People call that like the 1 in a million shots. You get a BB in there. That's wow. Luckily, if a BB like came in up here or anything, it loses all its momentum. So it's even if it's yeah. That is something. I'm gonna keep that there. Might be a little good luck. You see that? Oh damn, you're bleeding too. I'm joking. No, you're not. You're good.
I don't give a fuck.
Dude, check this out.
What?
That's crazy, right?
Yeah, I shot one of them. I don't know if there's more.
Who's got it?
All right, Rambo.
Hey, yo, Easy. Hey, man, let's come off the piano for a minute, man. The bus is crazy shit.
Pew, 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 pew. I told you I was gonna get you. I'm about to run. Run! Yo, guys, let's push back. They're gonna respawn soon. Let's just push back a little bit. At least you'll get back to right here, at least. Yo, check this out. Look inside my mask. You see it?
Huh?
See it?
How'd that get in there?
I don't know. Crazy, right? I'm hit. I'm out. Wait, let's start using this as a bat.
Game over!
Is that game? That was a fast game.